In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trend line in Robinhood Legend. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner diving into the world of investing, understanding how to visualize data with trend lines can significantly enhance your trading strategy. Now, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Robinhood's homepage. Robinhood is well known for its user-friendly interface and commission-free trading, making it a popular choice among investors. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure to have your username and password handy and log in securely. If you haven't already set up two-factor authentication, remember it's essential to do so to keep your account protected. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to Robinhood's home screen. From here, navigate to the Robinhood Legend feature. Depending on your browser and how Robinhood's interface may have been updated, you might find Robinhood Legend tucked away in a menu bar or listed as an option on your dashboard. The Robinhood Legend feature is an excellent tool, offering a comprehensive view of your investment landscape, helping you make more informed decisions. Now, once you're on the Robinhood Legend page, locate the trendline option. This is where the magic happens. By adding trend lines, you can better track the movement of stocks over a specified period. It serves as a visual guide, indicating potential price directions and helping you spot possible entry or exit points for your trades. Adding trend lines can transform the way you interpret stock charts, providing key insights that aren't as readily apparent without them. When you find the trend line option, go ahead and click on it. This will allow you to start drawing trend lines directly onto your chosen stock chart within the Robinhood Legend interface. As you do this, consider analyzing the points where the stock makes significant highs and lows. Linking these points can form a trend line that indicates whether the market is bullish, meaning prices are expected to go up, or bearish, signaling a potential decline. And there you have it. You've successfully added a trend line in Robinhood Legend. By regularly assessing your charts and updating your trend lines, you can keep track of market changes and manage your portfolio more effectively. With practice, trend lines will become an integral part of your trading toolkit, allowing you to navigate the investing world with greater confidence. Thank you for taking the time to learn with us today. Remember, practice makes perfect. And the more you engage with these trading tools, the more adept you'll become at spotting patterns and making informed decisions. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.